Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, I've just gone to the mall. That is actually not a mall. Okay, it's a mall. And to be exact, at China Square, the new China Square that has been launched here in Greenspan. If you know where Greenspan is, then you get it right. All right. Yeah. So I just went there to check one or two things, and then I went to the supermarket. I did shopping 1 and 2, and then I get back home. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. So guys, before I let you listen the music, because I'm not gonna talk like a whole video, so I just decided to show you some few things that are in China Square. I know I'm not promoting them, but it's just good for you to know where to find what in which place. It's good to plug each other, you understand. And it was so hot, I was sweating profusely. And with my dress, with my dress, I hope you've seen it. It's so amazing. I love it. It's so comfortable. And name them. And as you can see, I did not want to shoot people because that's not my thing. I just wanted you to see what's there at the China Square, and I loved every bit of things that were there. I just literally wanted to pick everything that was there, but your girl does not have such a huge or a lot of money, you understand. But one day, one time, it's gonna be fine. I'll just be picking things without checking the prices, you understand. Check your girl, so glowy. The girl is so glowy. I love it. Yeah. And the ambience of this place is so perfect. It's so amazing. So even if you don't have money, then you can just walk in there and check everything, and then next time you can plan yourself so that you can get one or two things. Yeah, it's also good to just walk around. It's therapeutic, like for you to ease in your mind and your body, exercise a little bit, and get to know what's happening out there. Do not just stay indoors, you understand. Yeah, guys, so I want you to enjoy the video up to the end. Make sure you subscribe and share, and also leave a comment. Let me know. Yeah, that's your girl. Perfect. And whew, it's another day, a very beautiful day, a very bright day on my off day. Of course, I'm enjoying each and every minute of my resting day. You know what I mean? It's not easy to be pounded by capitalism for 5 days. But we thank God. We thank God for good health. We thank God for life and everything and energy and all that. So this is me here. You might be wondering. I know some of you might comment or will comment, why is dispenser near Shurak? My house is small, so I have to utilize every space. So bear with me. God will bless me one day and I'll move to a big house. So it's not a problem. So this is a Shurak I'm trying to clean. I decided to just do thorough cleaning for a day for me, so that I can inhale the perfect air, or air. I wanted the perfect air circulation. Yeah, so I decided to clean my shoe rack, the carpets, everything beneath the bed, and my shoes and everything. So I know I have a lot of shoes and I'm planning to donate some. Yeah, so do not mind. And this is me here. Do not wonder what I'm doing. Do not be mesmerized because I'm just dancing. I did not talk the whole video. I was just dancing and shaking my waist, shaking my body and all that. I did not care what's up, what's on. I was just enjoying the moment. When I am in the mood, I just put a music, and that music will what do I say? It will easen my cleaning and everything. It will be to be just smooth and name them. You know what I'm saying? Let me not bore you with my voice. Let me just let you enjoy the music and watch everything that I was doing. Okay, ciao.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no.
So as you can see, guys, we are approaching the end of the video, and this is the aftermath of it all. You've seen the before and this is the after, and I love the job I have done. It is so perfectly done, and I'm so proud of myself right now, because the dust that was here, guys, let me not just say it. So guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And if you're new here, thank you so much for joining in. I do appreciate. And yeah, guys, let me see you on the next video. Ciao ciao, I love you all, au revoir.